Welcome to my Brand Pro channel. The Dji Mavic 3 is a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera sensor with a 12.8 nonstop dynamic range, preserving more detail in highlights and shadows and elevating your work to a professional level. The Dji Mavic 3 drone with camera has an advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing system that makes it safer to fly. It enables you to fly wherever you are with assurance and safety. With a transmission range of up to 15 kilometers, the Dji Mavic 3 drone lets you fly further and take more photos and videos. Additionally, live feeds for the O3 Plus transmission system are stable and crisp. You can bring it back home smartly. The Mavic 3 camera drone is built with a newly developed RTH technology and can return to a fast, safe, and functional position after work. It's easier than ever to bring the quadcopter drone back to you while in flight, whether it's a low battery or triggered by the pilot.
Unconcerned creation. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is exempt from registration in the majority of nations and regions because it weighs less than 249 grams. Any adventure is simple thanks to the folding and portable design. Record your surroundings in stunning detail with 48 megapixels photographs and 4K 60 FPS video. DJI Mini 3 Pro advanced camera technology offers dual native ISO and an f/1.7 aperture for excellent photos both day and night. The updated DJI Mini 3 Pro enables true vertical shooting for portrait photos, perfect for social media so you don't have to sacrifice image quality. The gimbal rotates 90 degrees. You can take advantage of the extra 34 minutes of flying time to explore more of your surroundings. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. If you want to buy any product, please check the video description. Get the purchase link. Thanks for watching.